Welcome to Fatima Baliq kitchen. Today we're making one of the most loved and flavorful homemade Shami Kebabs. Crispy on the outside, soft and spiced on the inside. Perfect for any occasion. Start by taking a pressure cooker and adding 1 kg of mutton, 3 medium sliced onions, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon oil, 250 grams of split chickpeas, 1 cup of water, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and 6 to 8 green chillies. Mix well, then cover the lid and pressure cook until the meat is fully tender. Now in a grinder, add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 6 to 8 cloves, 6 to 8 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon shahzeera, and 2 teaspoon black peppercorns. We're gonna grind this until it becomes a fine powder. Let's head back to the meat. In here, add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped mint, the spice we made, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Now we're gonna let this dry completely. Once the meat is moisture-free, blend it again in a food processor for a finer texture. Keep blending the meat until it's smooth and has a fine texture. After blending, we're gonna take this out in a bowl. And we're gonna be adding the juice of 1 lemon, we're gonna mix everything thoroughly now. For shaping the kebabs, you have to form patties with your hands. Once done with forming kebabs, we're gonna heat oil in a pan. Now we're gonna fry them until golden brown and crispy on both sides. There you have your Shami Kebabs. You can serve them hot with chutney, salad. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button